Welcome everybody, it's Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Thursday. It is June 5th. We are breaking Gold Rush Funkos. It's the last two boxes of the case we started tonight. We did pick a name, get two names via random on the left. We've already randomized our extra names, alphabetized the customer list, gave them a few minutes to trade. Nothing going down though, just double checking the chance real quick. Alright, not seeing anything, guys. Again, we got boxes 1 and 6 for you. Here we go. Well, gonna be a Yordan, guys. Not a bad hit, just another repeat for us, man. Gonna be Yordan Alvarez. Back at certification honor. Bam. Well, it's going to be a nasty hit there on that one. Yeah, finally, bud. Alright here, folks. Last box in this case. Alright guys, good luck to everybody. Bam! Lawrence Taylor, folks. Gonna be the LT. I'm sorry, Hans, there, wrong LT. Gonna be a Lawrence Taylor Beckett hologram honor. Wow, well, gonna be a double hit for Nasty on that one, guys. I am so sorry, everybody. Nasty gonna take both of the boxes. Wow, guys, I'm very sorry about that. That's gonna ramp up that break, though. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby Two Pops Break. Stop on by and join us.